Alright, so punta na tayo dito sa let us solve this problem. Ato na i-solve ang problem. So, kani siya ang f minus 4 f minus f of negative 4 pagbasa ni f of negative 4 and f of positive 6. So kani nga sitwasyon ato siyang i-solve, ato siyang analyze kung ang negative 4 ba is less than or asa nga kung asad ang unsa nga equations ang pwede magamit sa f negative 4. So kani ang negative 4 man siya ang value sa x ani. So x is less than or equal to 0 ba, or x is greater than or equal to 0. So we have to use this. Since the negative 4 is less than 0, so we have to use this. So f and negative 4 is equal negative x squared. Let us use this equation. So negative x squared plus 5x minus 2. So f and negative 4 equals negative 4 squared plus 5 negative 4 minus 2. So f and negative 4 is equal to negative 16 negative 20 minus 2. So f minus 4 equals negative 16 minus 20 minus 2. So f of 4 is equal to negative 16 minus 20 equals negative 36 minus 2 equals f, and negative 4 of negative 4 equals negative 38. So this is the answer. This is the value of f and f of negative 4. Okay, so let us proceed to f of positive 6. So since 6 is greater than 0, so we have to use this formula. Equals 5x squared plus 6x minus 1. So f of 6 equals 5 6 squared plus 6 minus 1. So f of 6 equals 5 times 6 equals 36, plus 6 times 6 equals 36 as well. Then f of 6 equals 36 times 5. So let us compute. Times 5 equals 0, 0, 30, 5, 10, 15, 18, 180. So 180 plus 36 minus 1. So f of 6 equals 180 plus 36 equals 6, 11, 516 minus 1. Let us see. 36, 6, 11, 216, sorry, 216. This is 216. Then f of 6 equals 215. That's the value of f of 6. So let us check using our calculator. 215 is the answer. Okay, so let us solve the number 2. The value of f of 8 and the value of f of negative 6. Since f of 8 is greater than 0, then we have to use this formula. Okay, so f of 8 equals 5x squared plus 6x minus 1. So f of 8 equals 5. Then let us multiply the 8, then 6, 8 minus 1. So elevate equals 8 times 8 equals 64 plus 8 times 6 equals 48. 48 minus 1, so elevate equals 64 times 4 times 5 equals 20. 64 times 5 equals 20, 30, 32. So 320 plus 48 plus 48, 320 plus 48, 8, 5, 6, 6, 368. Plus 368 minus 1 plus 48 minus 1, so 368 minus 1 equals 367. So that's the value of f of 8. So let us check using our calculator. 5 times 8 squared plus 6, 8 minus 1, 367 is the value of f of 8. So let us get the value of f of negative 6. Negative 6. The value of f of negative 6 is 5 negative x squared plus 5x negative 2. We have to use this formula since the negative 6 is less than 0. Okay, so f of negative 6 equals negative negative 6 squared plus 5 negative 6 minus 2. F of negative 6 equals negative 36. Negative 36 minus, that's negative 30. 5 times negative 6 equals negative 30, then minus 2. So f of negative 6 equals negative 36 minus 30 minus 2. So the f of negative 6 equals negative 30 plus 30. Negative 36 equals negative 66. Negative 66 minus 2. So f of negative 6 equals negative 68. So that's the value of f of negative 6. Okay, so let us solve this problem. The f of x is equal to x plus 5. The g of x is equal to 4x squared plus 6x minus 2. R of x is equal to x plus 5 over x minus 2. And the large integer of f of x is equal to x plus 6. So determine the f with r of 9. So before we're going to proceed here, so this is the largest number, right? So this is the problem of the largest number. So x plus 6. So before tayo proceed, Ana, let us compute the r of x first. The r of x here is r of x equals 8x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. So r of 9 equals, let us substitute the value of x. So lagay natin itong buta na ito ng 9 dito. So 8 times 9 plus 5 over 9 minus 2. So the value of r of 9 here is 8 times 9. So let's use the calculator to ensure that our answer is correct. 10 times 9, 8 times 9, 8 times 9 equals 72. So 72 plus 5 over 9 minus 2. So the R of 9, the value of R of 9 is 77 over 7. So 77 over 7. I guess we can get the answer, which is R of 9 is equal to 11. This is the value of R of 9. So let us substitute this one because the largest integer kasi ito. So we have to use this equation. We have to use this equation equals x plus 6, since f of x is equal to 11, then 11 plus 6, then the largest f is equal to 17. That's the answer. So, ato ni siyang tarungon kay lain kayo. So that's the answer.